When a lot of you saw the 6x6 Lego challenge, many of you said just stack them on top of each other and you could fit infinite on top of that base. So how many Lego minifigs can we stack on top of each other before they fall down? Before I go any further, put your guess in the comments. Even better, share a strategy you might have that I didn't show yet. Looks like 13 might be the max. Maybe I can go 14 or 15, but I wonder if there's other strategies I can use. A few folks in the last video said, why don't you try stacking them upside down? Well, that's why. Looks like they won't actually fit. Maybe I want to think about stacking them in pairs. Looks like it doesn't quite fit. I thought it might fit. That's not going to quite work. It can kind of balance, but it's not really going to work that way too. That'll give me a little more stability though. Maybe that's a stronger base. Well, the base is a little bit stronger, but still didn't really help me out that much. Another strategy, maybe I can stack it on like this. And by doing that, I open up this opportunity. Oops, it just fell off. And I can do something like this. And now, actually, I've opened up a few more opportunities. And now I'm kind of seeing an infinite potential happening. And actually, in fact, I can do this too. And look at this, I can even steal a little guy over here. Now I can keep building up here in all sorts of different directions. Oops, starting to get a little top heavy there. My weak point is right here. It's on kind of the curvature of the flexibility of the leg there. Now it's more of a balancing game. But I am getting more on here. And I'm kind of building out and branching out. And maybe I could even take a Lego minifig and just kind of balance him on here and say, hey, I'm going to stick him right there. And that counts too. Oh, it's a little top heavy. Gotta get that counterbalance. Oh, just fell off. Oh no. Let me think if there's any other strategies we could use. Let me think if I went back to the original way that I had them. I had like this. So I can do 6 that way. Could I even do more on top like that? Well, I can definitely do 2 layers. Well, if I look here, I can see 1 layer, 2 layers, 3 layers. So if you saw my last video, we saw how many we could fit on the base. But then thinking about maybe if I can get to 14 layers or 15 layers on top, how many Lego figs could we actually fit on the base if we're allowed to stack them on top of each other? What other strategies might you have to help us stack more without them falling over?